Zerba AI is one of the most exciting AI software releases we've seen, and in this review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stick around till the end, and I'll share why Zerba might be your new favorite tool. And by the way, you can try Zerba AI for free through the first link in the description, so keep watching to find out how. Now, let's dive into the key features of Zerba AI. First, the user interface is incredibly intuitive. Even if you're not a tech expert, you'll find it easy to navigate. That's one of the first things that sets Zerba apart: simplicity. You don't need to spend hours trying to figure out how to use it. You'll be up and running in minutes. Next, Zerba AI's core function is its ability to automate repetitive tasks that usually take up so much time in your day. Whether it's content creation, email marketing, or even social media posts, Zerba can streamline all of it. This means more time for you to focus on strategy and growth and less time on menial tasks. It's a game changer for marketers and business owners who want to scale. What makes Zerba stand out in the crowded AI software space is its customizability. Unlike some other tools that only provide preset templates, Zerba lets you fine-tune settings based on your specific business needs. This flexibility is a huge plus, especially if you're managing multiple projects or clients and need things tailored exactly to your strategy. Zerba also has strong analytics capabilities. This is essential because without data, you can't know what's working and what's not. The software provides real-time insights into the performance of your tasks, allowing you to make data-driven decisions that will help you improve over time. For anyone serious about scaling their efforts, having this feedback is priceless. One of the things I appreciate the most is the speed of Zerba. The AI doesn't take forever to process tasks. It's fast and efficient. When you're working on multiple tasks at once, speed can make or break your productivity, and Zerba delivers in that department. Another key point is its integration with other platforms. Whether you're using CRM software, email tools, or social media schedulers, Zerba works seamlessly with these. That means no more juggling multiple tools. Everything syncs in one place. If you already use several tools for your business, this integration will save you a ton of time and effort. Now, while Zerba AI is packed with powerful features, it's still early days for this software. There are occasional updates and improvements, but if you're someone who likes to have the latest and greatest right out of the box, just know that some of the more advanced features are still rolling out. But with the solid foundation it offers right now, the software is only going to get better from here. Finally, let's talk about pricing. While many AI tools can be quite expensive, Zerba AI is refreshingly affordable. Plus, you can try it completely free with the link below, which is a great way to explore whether it fits your needs before making any investment. If you've been looking for a reliable, easy-to-use AI tool that can help you save time and automate tasks effectively, I highly recommend giving Zerba AI a shot. After trying thousands of AI tools, Zerba stands out as one of the best for simplifying complex tasks. Before I wrap up, don't forget to check out the description for my recommended AI software that you can try for free, including Zerba AI. I've tested so many, and these are the tools that truly deliver. Thanks for watching.